A good day to you all. We are delighted to bring you another enriching conversation as part of the Ignite 9 23-24 mentoring program by Village Sri Lanka, spotlighting the impactful stories of the esteemed mentors. Joining us here today is Mrs. Devika Allapola, Head of Passenger Sales Sri Lanka Commercial, whose involvement and dedication in Ignite 9 23-24 has left an indelible mark on the mentees they have supported. Let's learn more about her journey, her perspective on mentoring, and how the Ignite program has transformed both the life and the lives of others. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Prataki.
My first question for you would be, how has the experience of mentoring impacted your personal and professional growth?
Yeah, I think this program it's an evolving thing. So every time I mentor, I'm learning something as much as I'm able to impart that knowledge to my mentee. It's a ongoing process. So I believe that actually this kind of program, I've done a couple of them, and every time I find the experience even more enriching, not just for the mentee, I'm sure, but even for me. So it's a very valuable program, and I really enjoyed that. Yeah.
Thank you. So my next question, what challenges did you face while mentoring and how did you overcome them?
Well, one of the challenges mainly is time, because everybody is busy today. So in this program, one thing that I overcame was that we prefixed the meetings. We had an agenda of what the discussion points are going to be, but of course it was very open. So we stuck to timelines. If there was some difficulty, there was a lot of communication so that we could reschedule it, and therefore that helped us to achieve the end goal of having a very wholesome enriching program between the mentor and the mentee. So I think that way it was very easy. Time management is really crucial in this program.
Right. So my final question for you,
Yes.
Zeeman. How has participating in the program shaped your approach to the leadership or team building in your field?
Yeah, it's like this. I've been in my industry for over 35 years, and I've been fortunate that I've always had very young people working with me. And even today, the incoming batch of employees are much younger. So it helps me to understand through these programs what are the challenges that young people face. It's not just only work related. You have to understand the whole thing, because I believe that if you are able to handle the external factors of any industry, meaning your personal environments, the challenges around that, and how you handle it, I think then your skills development becomes more solid, because then you have the time to focus on exactly building those work related skills. So I think that that helps me in my role as a leader in my company to I practice it so I can take it back to my company as well. Thank you.
Thank you. So I feel myself fortunate to share this interview with you today, man.
Likewise. It's great to be here. I mean, this program was really, very useful, as I said, to both the mentee and the mentor. And I wish that we have more continue with these programs, which we will do, of course. And I wish all the very best moving forward.
Thank you.
Thank you.
we have Ms. Onila Mudalige, Export Planning Executive at Unilever Sri Lanka Limited. Let's hear her journey with Ignite 9 23-24 mentoring program. What specific challenges did you face at the start, and how did the program and your mentor help you overcome this?
I think I got the opportunity to become a mentee, or rather to have a mentor for myself, right when I needed it the most. It was when I had just started my final year, and my mind was all over the place in terms of understanding to which area my career interests really fit into in the field of supply chain and logistics. And that's where my mentor and I started our very first conversation as well, understanding what I want to do in this field and how I really want to contribute to the field of supply chain and logistics, and to where I really fit based on my strengths, capabilities, and my personal qualities. And I'm very grateful to my mentor and happy that together we could finally narrow down the 101 options I had in my mind at the very beginning. And we were able to untie the knot and finally find a place to start my career journey.
What was the most memorable piece of advice your mentor shared with you, and how did it impact you?
I remember being in a dilemma about whether to start an internship during my final semester or focus on my studies solely and wait until I completely finished my degree, because I wasn't sure whether I'd be able to find time to perform well in my studies while balancing corporate responsibilities. But that's when my mentor gave me this very important piece of advice, that it is very important to perform well in academics, but academic achievements and theory alone won't take you anywhere until you put into practice what you have learned. And that's when I changed my mind, stepped out of my comfort zone, and started seeking for internship opportunities. Through regular meetups I had with my mentor, I gradually learned the art of managing time and balancing both work and studies. And guess what? I finally ended up being the overall best performer of the Faculty of Business at NSB Green University, while securing a job in my dream company even before my graduation at the age of 21.
How has participating in Ignite mentoring program influenced your approach to networking and building lasting professional relationships?
Before becoming a mentee of the Ignite mentoring program, I was part of Vilat Sri Lanka as the official student representative of NSB Green University for the Vilat Executive Committee in the year 2023-24. That actually led me to become a mentee in the Ignite mentoring program. Both these experiences have given me ample opportunities to interact and build good professional relationships with the industry experts, and also to take part in the professional events organized by Vilat Sri Lanka. I remember I even got the opportunity to share my experience as a mentee at Vilat's 10th anniversary celebrations event. And all these experiences, I think, have helped me to showcase my skills and who I truly am to a wider audience.